Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve keeps crashing on Google Maps. You will click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about Google Maps and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you can go to storage. Here you can click clear cache. So please don't forget to support us. So before that, we will go to settings. You will click on Play Store and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.